First day of August and it's time to step outside the city. This time I'm heading to Cebu City and it's actually my first time riding an airplane. I made sure everything was packed, secure, and within the weight limit since I only booked Cebu Pacific Go Basic. Honestly, I'm nervous but excited. So come and travel with me to Cebu. Thanks, sir. Gabi, sir. Gabi po, sir.